What if I told you there's a tool that can boost your traffic while cutting your workload in half? Let's see how Chat GPT makes it possible. In this video, we will explore how Chat GPT can be a game changer in crafting compelling traffic generation scripts. We'll delve into the features of Chat GPT that make it an invaluable tool for creating engaging content that captures attention and drives clicks. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Throughout this video, you'll learn practical tips on leveraging AI to enhance your social media strategy, ensuring your posts not only reach a wider audience, but also resonate with them. By the end, you'll understand the significance of effective traffic generation and how ChatGPT can simplify the process, making it accessible for everyone. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, stay tuned as we unlock the potential of AI-driven content creation. Step 1. Identify your target audience. To effectively generate traffic using ChatGPT, the first step is to identify your target audience. Start by defining the demographics of your ideal viewers, including age, gender, location, and interests. This foundational knowledge will guide your content creation process. Next, research where your audience spends their time online. Are they active on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok? Understanding the platforms they frequent will help you tailor your scripts for maximum engagement. Additionally, delve into their pain points and preferences. What challenges do they face, and what type of content resonates with them? By addressing their needs and interests, you can create scripts that not only attract attention, but also foster a connection with your audience. This targeted approach ensures that your traffic generation efforts are both effective and meaningful, setting the stage for successful engagement. Step 2. Choose the right social media platforms. Once you've identified your target audience, the next step is to choose the right social media platforms for your traffic generation efforts. Begin by evaluating popular platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to see where your audience is most active. Each platform has its unique user base and engagement style, so understanding these nuances is essential. Consider the type of content that performs best on each platform. For instance, Instagram thrives on visual content, while Twitter is ideal for quick updates and conversations. Facebook offers a mix of both, along with community-building opportunities. Align your traffic generation goals with the strengths of each platform. If your aim is to create visually appealing content, Instagram may be your best bet. By strategically selecting platforms that resonate with your audience and content style, you can maximize your reach and drive more traffic effectively. Step 3. Craft engaging prompts for ChatGPT. To harness the full potential of ChatGPT for traffic generation, crafting engaging prompts is essential. Start by using clear and concise language in your prompts. This clarity ensures that the AI understands your request and delivers relevant content that aligns with your goals. Incorporate keywords that are relevant to your niche. This not only helps in generating content that resonates with your audience, but also enhances SEO, making your posts more discoverable. Additionally, be specific about the type of content you want. Whether you're looking for tips, lists, or compelling stories, clearly stating your needs will yield better results. For example, instead of asking for general advice, you might prompt ChatGPT to generate 5 tips for increasing engagement on Instagram. By crafting well-defined prompts, you can create engaging scripts that capture attention and drive traffic effectively, setting the stage for successful social media interactions. Step 4. Generate scripts using ChatGPT. Now that you've crafted engaging prompts, it's time to generate scripts using ChatGPT. Start by inputting your carefully designed prompts into the AI. This is where the magic happens, as ChatGPT will produce content tailored to your specifications. Once you receive the generated scripts, take the time to review and refine the content for clarity. Ensure that the message is coherent and flows well, making it easy for your audience to understand and engage with. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that the tone of the generated content aligns with your brand's voice and style. Whether your brand is professional, casual, or humorous, adjusting the script to match your identity will create a more authentic connection with your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize ChatGPT to create compelling scripts that drive traffic and enhance your social media presence. Step 5. Optimize scripts for engagement. To maximize the impact of your scripts, optimizing them for engagement is essential. Start by adding clear calls to action that encourage audience interaction. Phrases like Comment below with your thoughts or share this post if you agree can significantly boost engagement levels. Next, enhance your scripts with engaging visuals and storytelling techniques. Visual elements, such as images or videos, can capture attention and make your content more memorable. Incorporating storytelling can also create an emotional connection, making your audience more likely to engage with your message. Additionally, consider incorporating trending topics or relevant hashtags to increase visibility. By aligning your content with current trends, you can tap into broader conversations and attract a larger audience. This strategic optimization will not only enhance engagement, but also help your content stand out in a crowded social media landscape, driving more traffic to your profiles. Step 6. Schedule and publish your content. Once your scripts are optimized for engagement, the next step is to schedule and publish your content effectively. Utilizing social media management tools can streamline this process, allowing you to plan and automate your posts across various platforms. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can help you maintain a consistent posting schedule without the hassle of manual updates. Analyzing the best times to post is crucial for maximizing reach. Research your audience's online habits to determine when they are most active, ensuring your content gets the attention it deserves. After publishing, it's important to monitor engagement closely. Keep an eye on likes, shares, comments, and overall interaction to gauge how well your content is performing. Based on this data, be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. This proactive approach will help you refine your content and improve future traffic generation efforts, ensuring ongoing success in your social media campaigns. In this video, we explored the powerful role of ChatGPT in generating traffic for your social media content. We began by identifying your target audience, which is crucial for tailoring your messages effectively. Next, we discussed the importance of choosing the right social media platforms that align with your audience's preferences. We then covered how to craft engaging prompts for ChatGPT, generate compelling scripts, and optimize them for maximum engagement. Finally, we highlighted the significance of scheduling and publishing your content strategically to enhance visibility. By implementing these steps, you can leverage ChatGPT to create impactful content that drives traffic and fosters audience interaction. We encourage you to put these strategies into action and watch your engagement grow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who could benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching and happy content creating.